Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Henry Sufili. I am the Human Recruitment Manager of HIRA Sdn Bhd. As you all know, our company, HIRA Sdn Bhd, is a company that will produce Lego chip. HIRA Sdn Bhd is a Lego chip supplier company in Johor Bahru. We provide halal and high quality Lego chips because it relates to our mission, which is to prioritize Muslim product. We produce and supply Lego chips to retail store, supermarket, and agent and stockists who are interested in our product. And our company goal is to produce Lego chip that will satisfy our customer. But there is a problem that we are facing right now. Product Development Officer of HIRA Sdn Bhd will be leaving at the end of August 2021. Right now, we need to recruit a new Product Development Officer for our company. First of all, before we start recruit application, can you suggest what are the job description and job specification for Product Development Officer?
Alright, first things first, as Product Development Officer, his job description is to ensure the products are developed and manufactured smoothly, running to minimize risk. Other than that, he also needs to create a business plan projections for new product rollout. Product Development Officer must coordinate product development process, including pilot testing, monitoring and evaluation, and product policy modification. Besides that, his job will include collecting ideas or feedbacks from clients and partners for improving product policies, and also work on special projects and perform other duties assigned from supervisors.
Okay, other than that, to get the job, interviewer have to meet the specification that has been set by the company. Firstly, they must have a degree in business administrative to have the knowledge to be the competent in this job. Next one, at least 3 years of working experience at any company or other field. They also know how to use computer, laptop, and other technologies like printing and faxing. Excellent in Microsoft Office also should be prioritized, especially in Excel or PowerPoint. Beside that, all about mental, which are high motivation, attentive, and accurate at work. Lastly, ability to work without supervision, problem solving, and capable to handle multiple tasks.
Wow, impressive. Thank you for the suggestion. And thank you for the suggestion, Product Development Team Akid and Iman.
You are welcome, sir.
You're welcome, sir.
And next task will be, how do we recruit new Product Development Officer? I will suggest that we do advertisement poster to recruit Product Development Officer that is interested to our company.
Sir, I think we should also let the candidate to fill out the application form so that they will know so that we will know the information including their work experience.
After that, we should do an interview with them.
Good idea. Let's start with the advertisement poster.
Sir, I suggest that we include the job specification and description of Product Development Officer inside the poster as well. Through this, they will know whether they are qualified for the job or not.
Oh, alright. How about you, Akid?
Sir, I agree with Iman's idea. At the same time, I suggest that we also should include our company information, such as phone number for them to know more about our company, and our email for them to email their resume.
Wow, good job, Akid. Alright, thanks for both of your suggestions. After we publish our job advertisement poster in several online platforms, we will need to make an application form for interviewee to fill out their information before they went to interview. So for interview session, I think we need to ask some question regarding the interviewee personal information. and why they need to work with our company, and what are their strengths and goals.
Sir, I agree with you, but we should also include how do they improve our product. This question will show their ability in doing research and development.
Other than that, we need to ask how well they knew about our product. It is useless if he didn't know about our product at all.
Brilliant idea. Both of you have given me a great idea for the interview question. And maybe I will add some other questions such as why product management is important to a company.
Alright, sir.
Alright, sir.
And now the current my question is, which employee should we recruit, either local or expatriate?
In my opinion, sir, I think we should recruit local employees. It is because not only we speak the same language, but also they are already familiar with our country's working practices as well as rules and regulations. Furthermore, local employees are much easier to train and motivate compared to expatriates because they are already comfortable with standard operation procedure (SOP) in Malaysia. Therefore, by having well-trained and motivated employees, our company will not have to be worried about future product development.
But I think hiring expatriate also can also bring benefit to our company. Of course, both local and expatriate have their own pros and cons, but we will get many new things if we recruit expatriate. Maybe their ideas and experience is far better than local people. Therefore, I think we should recruit expatriate.
Mm. Yes, I think both your answer will be in consideration. But in my opinion, I personally think that local employee will be better for us to recruit for our company because of the cost. Hiring an expatriate can cost up to 3 times more than hiring a local candidate. Costs include everything from expatriate, normal salary to relocation costs, and language and cultural training. I think we should not hire expatriate, although expatriate life is a rewarding experience. However, it can be very challenging at times. Often, feeling of loneliness, culture shock, and homesickness overwhelm expatriates. And not every expatriate is equally prepared to deal with such intense and possibly new emotions. The performance of expatriate will definitely affected because of these factors. Therefore, I think we should hire local employee.
Yep, I agree with you, sir.
After listen your explanation, sir, I think I might change my opinion. I agree with your opinion, sir.
Alright then, we'll focus on a recruit local employee. So, do you guys have any question before we end our meeting?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So, maybe that's all for today's meeting. And thanks to our product development team, Akid and Iman.
You are
You are
welcome.
welcome, sir.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Henry Sufilim. I'm the Human Recruitment Manager of HIRA Sdn Bhd. Hi Rafhan. I've received your resume and your application form. Before we start our interview, please introduce yourself.
Waalaikumsalam and hi. Before that, I want to introduce myself. As you all know, my name is Muhammad Rahimi bin Zahrul-lail, and I'm from Johor. And I have graduated with a business administration degree. Other than that, I also have 3.5 years of work experience as a sales executive at Oriental Food Industries Sdn Bhd.
Oh, okay. So you have the work experience. That will definitely help you in the future. So next, move to the second question. What are your strengths?
Okay, talking about my strengths, I never miss a deadline. I'm highly organized and I've applied my natural skill for organizing people and projects to all aspects of my work. Other than that, I think one of my greatest strengths is a problem solver. I have the ability to see a situation from different perspectives and I can get my work done even in the face of difficult obstacles. And I also feel that my communication skills are top notch. I have a solid work ethic, and when I'm working on a project, I don't just want to meet deadlines. Rather, I prefer to complete the project well ahead of schedule. And last year, I even earned a bonus for completing my three most recent reports 1 week ahead of time.
Wow, I'm impressed. Next, why should we hire you?
Okay, I think you should hire me because of my ability and strength that I can improve and develop this company to be better, and maybe with the vision of the company and my dedication on my work, we can be one of the top companies in Asia.
Alright. Question number 4 is why do you want to work here?
Okay, and I have learned that your company is strongly encourage and facilitates employee growth and development. As you can see from my resume, ongoing professional development is a key focus for me, and I am excited to work for a company that provides a stimulating learning environment. The information I've sourced demonstrate high level of employee satisfaction, and by all accounts, this is a company that rewards hard work and vacation. And I'm convinced my result-driven approach, strong work ethics, and commitment will enable me to flourish here and make a meaningful contribution to the company's success.
That's right. And move to the question 5, which is about your goals. What are your goals?
Okay, for my goals, I want to focus about my long-term career with this company and how this company is growing and the opportunities this job provides. I got a feeling that this company will become one of the best companies in Asia. So, my goals are I want to have a long-term job in this company and growing together and be successful together with this company and becoming a progressive company.
Wow, what a nice goal of yours. For our next question is, what do you know about our product?
Okay, for the product. First of all, the product is Lego chips, which one of the high demand product nowadays. Lego chips made from fish, fillet and some other ingredients. I interested in your product because Lego chip is almost similar to Keropok Leko. As you know, Keropok Leko is one of the Malay traditional food in Malaysia, and you had made Keropok Leko into something different. Now, people can directly try Lego chips in packet, which they can save for a long time and eat anywhere that they want.
Hmm, that's a good answer. And next, how do you enhance and improve a product?
Basically, regarding enhance and improve of a product, I will most likely to do research regarding the product by making a survey in internet. By making a survey, it helps us to identify whether the product has met the demand of the customer. If our product didn't match with what our customer wants, I will tend to improve the product until we satisfy our customer.
Okay, for the final question, um, why do you think product management is important?
It is important because to meet the satisfaction of our customer, we have to manage our product well, and it helps in gauging the changing needs of customers. We have regularly interacted with existing customers and are on the lookout for new ones. They usually get to know the pain points first and give the product development team the lead for a new product or improving the product to get better and better.
It's also a good answer. And that's all for the interview question. So basically, thank you, Mr. Rafhan, for giving a great answer. So, product development team, Iman and Akid, do you have anything to add on?
After listening to the interview, I personally think that Mr. Rafhan are suitable for the job. With the work experience Mr. Rafhan have, I think you are incredible person, Mr. Rafhan.
I agree with Akid. I agree with Mr. Akid.
Thank you so much for the compliment. I appreciate it so much, sir.
So, Rafhan, we will contact you when we have made our decision, alright?
Alright, sir. Thank you.
You are welcome. And thanks again to you for attending our interview session. That's all from us.